Thomas here from the Coin Center, and I just want to show you the May Royal Canadian Mint coin release. So first thing we got here is the annual book. This book comes with a poster of the coins that were issued in 2024. I'm not going to open it as it's sealed, but it also comes with 6 coins. These here are the 6 coins that come in the book. They are the occasional coins from last year. So you have the Inuit toonie in color, and then you have the Inuit toonie that's non-colored. You have the Royal Canadian Air Force toonie without color and with color. The Montgomery loonies with color and without color. You can also find those coins in circulation. First coin we have here is an ultra high relief from the Great Hunter series, the Wolf. This coin, we're going to sell it for $149.95. It is tax exempt because it is pure silver. It weighs exactly an ounce. And it also has a low mintage of 6,000 pieces. The third coin we have here is 2025 $20 Royal Canadian Mounted Police Musical Ride coin. So it showcases a RCMP officer on a horse. This coin is made out of pure silver. It weighs 1 ounce. The issue price on this coin will be $134.95, and they're minting 8,500 pieces. So the next coin we have here, the fourth coin, is $20 Avro Arrow coin. This coin is pure silver, weighs 1 ounce, mintage of 10,000 pieces, and we'll be selling this coin currently for $119.95. The fifth coin we have here is from the Colourful Bird series. Showcases a Baltimore Oriole. This coin is 1 ounce of pure silver, which means it's tax exempt. Mintage of 7,500 pieces. And current retail on this coin will be $129.95. The sixth coin we have is a 5 ounce fine silver coin called the Legacy of the Crown. Showcases previous monarchs from Queen Victoria to Edward, George V, George VI, and Elizabeth II, and then Charles. This coin has a mintage of 1,900 pieces, and retail on this coin is $679.95. Thing we have here is a specimen set. These come out every year for the last probably 20 or 30 years. The last about 20 years they made them with special toonies or loonies. This one has a special loonie with a butterfly on it. $30,000 mintage, and retail on this set is currently $64.95. The last coin we have here is probably the nicest coin out of the May release. It's a $125 coin with a Murano glass butterfly on it. It weighs half a kilo, so 500 grams. Mintage of 800 pieces. The current retail on this coin is $2,099.95. If you're interested in buying any of these coins, follow the link to our website below. We're also having an auction on May 18th. If you're looking for older Canadian coins, then we'll also add a link below.